Welcome! In this lesson, we will master the volume and surface area of a sphere and a hemisphere from the ICSE Class 10 Mathematics syllabus. We will cover 4 categories and solve 3 examples in each one. First, the sphere. A sphere is a perfectly round solid. If r is its radius, then the volume equals 4 by 3 pi r cubed, and the surface area equals 4 pi r squared. Note that a sphere has only one surface, so its curved surface area and total surface area are the same. Now, the hemisphere. Cutting a sphere exactly in half gives a hemisphere. Its volume is 2 by 3 pi r cubed, exactly half the sphere. Its curved surface area is 2 pi r squared. And for a solid hemisphere, the total surface area is the curved part plus the flat circular base. That is 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared, which equals 3 pi r squared. Throughout, we will take pi as 22 by 7. Category 1. Volume of a sphere. The formula is V equals 4 by 3 pi r cubed. Example 1. Find the volume of a sphere of radius 7 centimeters. V equals 4 by 3 times 22 by 7 times 7 cubed. 7 cubed is 343. This gives 30,184 by 21, which is 1,437.33 cubic centimeters. Example 2. Find the volume of a sphere whose diameter is 21 centimeters. The radius is half the diameter, so r equals 10.5 centimeters. V equals 4 by 3 times 22 by 7 times 10.5 cubed. That works out to 4,851 cubic centimeters. Example 3. The volume of a sphere is 38,808 cubic centimeters. Find its radius. From V equals 4 by 3 pi r cubed equals 3v by 4 pi. Substituting, r cubed equals 9,261, and the cube root of that is 21, so the radius is 21 centimeters. Category 2. Surface area of a sphere. The formula is S equals 4 pi r squared. Example 1. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 14 centimeters. S equals 4 times 22 by 7 times 14 squared, which is 4 times 22 by 7 times 196. That equals 2,464 square centimeters. Example 2. The surface area of a sphere is 616 square centimeters. Find its radius and then its volume. R squared equals 616 times 7 divided by 4 times 22, which is 49, so r equals 7 centimeters. Then the volume equals 4 by 3 pi r cubed, which is 1,437.33 cubic centimeters. Example 3. The radii of 2 spheres are in the ratio 2:3. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Since surface area is proportional to r squared, the ratio is 2 squared to 3 squared. That is, 4:9. Category 3. Volume of a hemisphere. The formula is V equals 2 by 3 pi r cubed, exactly half the volume of a sphere. Example 1. Find the volume of a hemisphere of radius 3.5 centimeters. V equals 2 by 3 times 22 by 7 times 3.5 cubed. 3.5 cubed is 42.875. This gives 89.83 cubic centimeters. Example 2. A hemispherical bowl has an internal radius of 10.5 centimeters. Find how many liters of water it can hold. Volume equals 2 by 3 times 22 by 7 times 10.5 cubed, which is 2,425.5 cubic centimeters. Dividing by 1,000, the bowl holds about 2.43 liters. Example 3. The volume of a hemisphere is 19,404 cubic centimeters. Find its radius. R cubed equals 3v by 2 pi, which equals 9,261. Taking the cube root, r equals 21 centimeters. Category 4. Surface area of a hemisphere. The curved surface area is 2 pi r squared, and the total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 3 pi r squared, because we must add the flat circular base of area, pi r squared. Example 1. For a solid hemisphere of radius 7 centimeters, find the curved surface area and the total surface area. Curved surface area equals 2 times 22 by 7 times 49, which is 308 square centimeters. Total surface area equals 3 times 22 by 7 times 49, which is 462 square centimeters. Example 2. The total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 1,848 square centimeters. Find its radius. 3 pi r squared equals 1,848. So r squared equals 1,848 times 7 divided by 3 times 22, which is 196. Therefore, r equals 14 centimeters. Example 3. Find the total surface area of a solid hemisphere of diameter 21 centimeters. The radius is 10.5 centimeters. Total surface area equals 3 times 22 by 7 times 10.5 squared, which is 1,039.5 square centimeters. Quick recap. For a sphere, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cubed, and surface area is 4 pi r squared. For a hemisphere, volume is 2 by 3 pi r cubed. Curved surface area is 2 pi r squared, and total surface area is 3 pi r squared. And remember, surface area scale is r squared, while volume scale is r cubed. If this lesson helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a new max lesson. See you in the next video.